How to customize your Snapchat quick ad settings. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can customize your Snapchat quick ad settings. So firstly, navigate to your App Store or Google Play Store. After that, search for Snapchat application. Now look for updates that may be available for your Snapchat app. If there are updates available, then click on the update option to update your app. If not, go back to your home page and open Snapchat. In Snapchat, make sure you are logged in to your account. When opening Snapchat, you will land to this recording page. Tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now you will land to your profile section like this. From your profile section, tap on your setting gear icon at the top left corner. In your settings, scroll down and go to the option See Me in Quick Ad and tap on this option. Now inside you will see a checkbox. If you turn on this option, then friends of your friends or contacts may see your profile in their Quick Ad section. If you turn it off, your profile won't appear in others' Quick Ad suggestion. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.